Understanding algebraic equations, a key to unlocking mathematics. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that bridges language and mathematics, algebraic equations. Whether you're a math enthusiast or just curious about how English is used in different subjects, this video is for you. Let's explore together the meaning and significance of algebraic equations in an easy-to-understand way. An algebraic equation is a mathematical statement that uses numbers, variables, like x or y, and operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, to show that two expressions are equal. It's like a puzzle where you need to find the value of the variables that makes the equation true. For example, in the equation x plus 5 equals 10, x is the variable, and we need to find its value to make the equation correct. Every algebraic equation consists of variables, symbols that stand in for unknown values. They can be any letter of the alphabet, coefficients, numbers that multiply the variables, constants, numbers on their own, without any variables, operators, symbols that show mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, equality sign, smiley face, shows that the expressions on either side of the equation are equal. Understanding these components helps us to break down and solve algebraic equations step by step. Algebraic equations can be simple or complex, ranging from linear equations with a single variable, like x plus 3 equals 7, to quadratic equations, like x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and beyond. Each type of equation has its own set of rules for solving, but the fundamental goal remains the same: to find the values of the variables that make the equation true. Solving an algebraic equation involves finding the value of the variable that makes the equation true. This usually requires rearranging the equation to isolate the variable on one side. The basic steps include: 1. Combine like terms. Simplify each side of the equation by adding or subtracting the same types of terms. 2. Use inverse operations. Apply operations that undo each other, like addition and subtraction or multiplication and division, to isolate the variable. 3. Check your solution. Substitute the value back into the original equation to ensure it makes the equation true. Algebraic equations are more than just mathematical expressions. They're a language that helps us describe and solve problems in a precise and logical way. By understanding and mastering this language, you can unlock a whole new world of mathematical thinking and problem solving. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of algebraic equations. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, happy learning.